So, first dish I'm gonna do is steak with potatoes, pan-seared potatoes. I'm just peeling the potatoes now, and then I'm gonna cube them. I always hated peeling potatoes. So boring. Right. About those size. I'm gonna keep them small so that pan fried cook faster. They'll get crispy. Steak. Let's get some good marbling around the edges. I mean, it's the ends. I got the ends because I hate wasting food, you know. So, and I have a friend who contacted me and they said they had a lot of these and they didn't know what to do with it. So I was like, okay, let's try to do something, you know. Always touch your meat dry. You want that good sear. And you're not gonna get that with whips. Salt, pepper. Get your pan hot, super hot. So about a minute on each side, and then you let it rest for double the time you cooked it. So if I'm doing it a minute per side, that's 2 minutes. So you let it rest for 4 minutes. I got a medium to about a medium well. So the reason why I'm doing the steak first is because I want to cook the potatoes and whatever juice is left from the steak. Maximum flavor. Here we go. Is it cinnamon? Flip it. Let this rest. Okay. Set it aside while you make the potatoes. Salt, pepper, lot of water and that happens. Go in with your oil. Okay, we're about done. It's not sticking on the pan anymore, is it?
What's this?
See?
Pink.
Pink?
What?
And this side is like almost well done.
This one. Oh,
Plate it.
Fine.
There you go. You can make your own gravy. So instead of cooking the potatoes in the same pan as the steak, you can cook them in a separate pan and then use the juices from the pan. So you cook your steak and put some water, season it, salt, pepper, and then just a slurry, cornstarch and water, some butter, golden. There you go. Let's taste it. Mm-hmm.